Hold on, wait, there you go.
You can dance now?
Yeah.
I don't know how to dance.
Now start modeling. Model, yeah, put the heels on and model. Go put the heels on and model. No, you're not.
I'm gonna put my pants on.
Curtis, it's your turn. It's your turn. Don't worry, I won't show anybody. But this is going on YouTube. Meow.
Oh, wait. Let me do my face.
Yeah. At least on shoes.
That's really scary.
Do
Do that.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Oh my gosh, yes, here we go. I get to see mushroom head and heels. Come on.
Michael Jordan done it.
Hey man, your skirt's up your bed.
I dressed up like a
I
dude,
know,
so I
I
want
can
me
feel
to.
it. That's my shoe.
Yeah, it is.
You really like that thing, don't you? I've had that since I was in like 6th grade.
I wouldn't wear it. I've never seen
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I'm never going to
I
either.
take it off my little.
Only wear skirts if it's like hot cut. And go to the left.
Curtis is a
Look, it's
cutie.
fitting.
Wow.
Okay.
Just doing it.
I'm fixing to turn this off. You are? Oh my god, he's putting it on.
What size do you wear?
Roll your pants up a little. Roll your pants up a little. I want to be able to see him.
I'm scared. Hey.
Aw,
What?
Where?
how cute. Okay.
No, I'm wearing my shoes.
Yeah, I'm turning it off now. Unless he's gonna walk in them.